Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you wherever you are around the world. And in this video, I will be speaking how to build your self-confidence to speak English. Building self-confidence to speak English is a gradual process that requires consistent effort, requires a continuous practice, right? So here I would like to share some strategies or some tips or some steps that can help you to boost your confidence in speaking English. And the first step that you need to do is setting realistic goals. So here you can start by setting achievable goals for yourself. You can break down your language learning journey into smaller and manageable steps. You can also celebrate your progress along the way that will boost your confidence and motivation to speak English, right? That is the first step. And the second step is practice regularly. So what do I mean here by practicing regularly? The more you practice speaking English, the more comfortable and confident you will become. So here you need to engage in regular conversation, practice with native English speakers, or you can join language exchange programs, or you can find language partners online, right? So practice speaking English in different situations. You can also do it. For example, when you are ordering food at a restaurant, or when you are participating in a group discussion, right? So that is the way how to practice regularly. And the third step is embracing mistakes. So what do I mean here by embracing mistakes? You know, um, you need to understand that making any mistakes or errors is a natural part of language learning, right? So here I encourage you not to be afraid of making any mistakes or making any errors when you are speaking English, right? But you need to view the mistake as or the errors as learning opportunities and as a learning stepping stones toward the improvement, right? You just consider it as a stepping stone toward the improvement, right? That is the third step. Because when you are learning from your mistakes, it means you can also keep moving forward, right? So never think about making errors or making any mistakes. That is the third step. And the fourth step is expand your vocabulary. So what do I mean here by expanding your vocabulary? Here you need to enrich or to build your confidence by expanding your vocabulary, right? You can learn new words, you can learn new phrases, or you can use the words or the new words or phrases in your conversations, right? Because the more words you know and the more confident you will feel to express yourself in English speaking, right? That is the fourth step. And the fifth step is focusing on fluency, not on perfection. So what do I mean here, focus on fluency? You need to remember that effective communication is more important than speaking perfectly. So here, aim for fluency and clarity to express your thoughts and ideas rather than obsess every grammar rule or every pronunciation in detail, right? So here you need to focus on getting your message across and building connections with other through English speaking. That is the most important one, right? So when you are able to get your message across and the people understand you, it means here you focus on fluency, not on perfection, right? And the sixth step is seeking supportive environment. So what do I mean here by seeking supportive environment? Here you need to surround yourself with supportive people or supportive individuals or communities um, who are able to encourage you and motivate you in your English speaking learning, right? And you can also do it by joining English conversation groups. You can join online forums, or you can join language class where you can practice speaking English in a non-judgmental and encouraging environment. That is the sixth step, right? And the seventh step is visualize success. So here, what do I mean by visualizing success? You need to visualize yourself speaking English confidently and successfully. You can imagine yourself in engaging conversations. You can imagine yourself expressing your ideas, or you can imagine yourself sharing your opinions and being understood by the people, by individual, by communities around, right? Or you can visualize positive outcomes that can help you to boost your self-confidence and also to reduce anxiety when you are speaking English, right? That is the seventh step. And the eighth step that you need to do is celebrating achievement, or celebrating victories. So what do I mean here by celebrating achievement or victories? You need to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem, or no matter how little the progress is. Every milestone you reach in your English speaking journey is really valuable, or is really worthy to be celebrated, right? Because recognizing your progress and give yourself credit for your effort, that will improve your motivation, right? But remember, building self-confidence, of course, it really takes time and perseverance, right? So here you need to be patient with yourself. You need to stay motivated, and you need to continue practicing regularly, right? And I do believe over time, your confidence in speaking English will grow rapidly, and you will become more comfortable expressing yourself in the language, right? Right, everyone. So that is the 8 steps that you need to, or 8 strategies that you need to do when you are going to build your self-confidence in speaking English, right? If you think you learned something from videos, do not forget to like and to share, and to subscribe it in order other people around, they also can learn something from it, right? Thank you very much, everybody, for watching and listening, and I hope this video is useful.